Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a stream network has been classified using Horton stream order classification and is shown in figure 1. Each first order stream has a mean length of XYZ miles, while the following higher level stream have a mean length of p percentage higher than the previous order. Perform a quantitative analysis of stream network to calculate the bifurcation ratio, length ratio, area of the drainage basin, drainage density, constant of channel maintenance, and stream frequency. XYZ equal to last 3 digits of your student ID. P equal to any multiple of 3 between 0 to 15. Timin Figure 1. Horton stream order classification of a stream network. And the answer to the question is: to perform a quantitative analysis of the stream network based on the information provided, we need to calculate several geomorphic parameters using Horton stream order classification. Here's how we can approach it step by step. Given parameter: mean length of first order stream, mean length of higher order stream in p% higher than the previous order. XYZ last 3 digits of your student ID. P any multiple of 3 between 0 to 15. Let's outline a calculation for each parameter. For bifurcation ratio, bifurcation ratio is defined as the ratio of the number of streams of a given order to the number of streams of the next higher order. Typically for a random network, R b is equal to 5.0. Calculate, count all the streams of a particular order and divide by the total number of streams in the next higher order. Second, length ratio is the ratio of the mean length of streams of a given order to the mean length of streams of the next higher order. Calculation: Ra equal to L1 over L2, where L1 is the mean length of the current order and L2 is the mean length of the next higher order. Third, area of the drainage basin. The area of the drainage basin can be estimated using topographic maps of GIS data given in square kilometers or square miles. For drainage density is the total length of all streams in a drainage basin divided by the area of the basin. Calculated: D equal to total length of all streams over area of the drainage basin. 5. Constant channel maintenance. This parameter relates to the relationship between the area of the drainage basin and the drainage density. Calculation: C equal to DD over A. 6. Stream frequency. Stream frequency is the total number of streams per unit area. Calculation: Fs is equal to number of streams over area of the drainage basin. Given your XYZ and P values, substitute these into the appropriate calculation to find the numerical values of each parameter. This calculation will provide a quantitative analysis of the stream network based on Horton's stream order classification. If you provide the specific values for X, Y, Z and P, I can assist further with the detailed calculations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.